Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to screenshot for your completion of the unit bubbles. So when you're on this screen, you want to click on these little lines, and then it's going to show you your bubble completion. And you want to be sure that all of these are colored in. See how some of these ones down here are not colored in? That would mean I want to go do those before I submit a screenshot. I can also see up at the top I haven't done that since it's got a lock key. I need to email my teacher and let her know that I need to complete that. And you can see that the Unit 14 assessment is also complete. So in order to screenshot that, you're going to need to zoom out. So Control minus on the keyboard will zoom out so that you can see it all. You want to see this entire screen plus your name up in the corner, and you're going to create a screenshot. On the school computers, in the search bar down at the bottom, you type in snipping tool. So I start typing snip, that'll pop up. I'm going to choose new, and then it's going to create an arrow. I'm going to click and drag, and I just need to make sure that I have my name in it as well as the whole screenshot of all the bubbles. And then you're going to save that, and I usually save it to my desktop, and then you'll upload that. And that's exactly how you will make sure that you submit what you need to. If you have any questions, let your teacher know.